Hello, my name is Garrett McEnroe of McEnroe Consulting, and this is a brief preview of a Digital Facilities Maintenance and Operations Manual. The Digital Facilities Maintenance and Operation Manual is a digital document management system that links together all of a facility's construction and maintenance information to create a website of linked documents. Any digital document can be linked within the system. Some examples of the documents interlinked are plans, specifications, RFIs, addendums, directives, shop drawings, change orders, submittals, schedules, punch list. Any digital document can be linked within the system. The system is made up of key top-level linking sheets designed to make retrieval of information as fast and as easy as possible. Primary linking sheets include the program index and map, the site index and geographic map, the building index list, plans, and schedules, all of which are intuitively linked, making it a simple tool to use. The basic concept of the system is to start at a bird's eye view and work your way down to the smallest detail. Let's take a look at an example. We start with a bird's eye view here at the highest level, level 1, the program index and map. It has 3 sections. The first section is the program information, the second section is the list of projects, and the third section is the project's map. All sections link out to other information. From here you would select a project. For this example, let's choose EM or Emmanuel Elementary School. We are sent to level 2. The site index map. This is the highest level view for this specific project. The site index map also has 3 sections. The first section is information, the second section is the list of departments, and the third section is the site map, all of which link out to other information. For this example, let's select building E. This is level 3, the building index. This is the highest level view for this specific building, building E. It has 4 sections. The first section is information. The second section is building code numbers associated with the building. The third section is the building footprint. And the fourth section is the list of building disciplines, all of which link out to other information. For this example, we will select the mechanical floor plan. We have now made it to level 4, the plan drawing. This is the actual architect-produced drawing associated with the building. The drawing is to scale and can be used to take dimensions and do quantity takeoffs. The plan drawing has callouts, details, and annotations, all of which are linked out to other documents. Let's go even further by zooming in here to the actual detail. This is level 5, the unit detail. This is a zoomed-in view of the plan drawing we were just looking at. It represents a specific detail or piece of equipment. The equipment is colored, which is the indication more information is available. When we select an equipment callout, we are sent to the associated schedule in the drawings. For this example, let's look at HP6. Level 6 is the schedule. In this case, the split system heat pump schedule, which lists specific information associated with the heat pumps. Here at the schedule, you can now click on the specific equipment number and get out to the O&M information. Note that this is also an actual architect drawing. Let's click here on HP6. This is level 7, the operating and maintenance manual. This document lists specific information associated with the heat pump 6. From the O&M, you can link out to work orders associated with a specific piece of equipment. This is level 8, work orders, which gives us an even more detailed information associated with HP6. So we had 7 clicks to get this information. That's it, easy to understand and easy to use. Note that level 8 is not the final level. More levels and other links can be set up as necessary. Now that we understand the basic concept of the system, let's answer a complex question. Question 1. What is the oil type used for the AC unit located at the northeast corner of Building E of Emmanuel Elementary School? We start here at level 1, the program index and map. We know that we need to get to Emmanuel Elementary School, so we can select that here or here as indicated by EM. Once we select the school, we are taken to the site index map. At the site index map, we know that we need to get to Building E. So we select here, Building E. We are taken to the building index. At the building index, we know we are looking for an AC unit, so we'll select the mechanical floor plan here. Once we select the mechanical floor plan, we are taken to the architectural drawing. Here we know that we are looking for the piece of equipment in the northeast corner of the building, so that would be in this area here. So AC unit number 4 we select by clicking here. Once we select the AC unit number 4, we are taken to the air conditioning unit schedule. We know it was AC unit 4, so we can select it by clicking here. Once we click the AC unit on the air conditioning schedule, we are taken to the O&M manual. We now look at the O&M manual table of contents to find information associated with the oil type. We can select here, Pure-On items, scroll to page 26, or click here. Once we get to page 26, we review to find that the oil type uses a polyester oil Mobil 3MAF POE. And there's the answer to that. Okay, let's look at another question. Question 2. What is the series type of the light fixture in the custodian room on east side of Building H at Cedar Elementary School? We start again at the program index and map. We know we are looking for Cedar Elementary School, which we can select here or here as indicated by CD. Once we choose the school, we are taken to the site index map. We now need to look for Building H, which is in this area here, Building H. Once we select Building H, we are taken to the building index. We know we are looking for a light fixture type, which can be found at the electrical lighting floor plan, so we select the lighting floor plan here. Once we select the lighting floor plan, we are taken to the Building H floor plan, and we know we are looking for the custodian room on the east side, which is over in this area. We select the lighting fixture, which is indicated with as A2. Once we select A2, we are taken to the light fixture schedule, and we know that it's A2, so we select A2 here to get to the O&M. Once we're at the O&M, we can now find the series type by scrolling down and looking in the information. Here we can see the series type is 2GT8. So another question answered with just a few simple clicks. Let's move on to the next example. Question 3. We need the parts list for the water heater in the custodian room on the west side of Building BB at Impala Elementary School. We start again at the program index and map. We are looking for Impala Elementary School, which can be selected here or here as indicated by IM. Once we select the school, we are taken to the site index map. We then scroll in and look for Building BB, which is located here. We select BB and are taken to the building index. We know we are looking for the water heater, which would be under the plumbing floor plan. So we go here and select the plumbing floor plan. Once we select the plumbing floor plan, we are taken to the Building B architectural plumbing plan drawing. We know it is on the west side in the custodian room, so we scroll over here and we see that WH4 is located here in the custodian room. We select WH4 and are taken to the plumbing equipment schedule. From here, we want to get to the O&M, so we scroll down and select WH4 here, which will take us to the O&M manual. We then look through the O&M manual to find the parts list that we are looking for. Scrolling through a couple pages, we can find the replacement part list here on page 8 of the O&M. So again, a few clicks and the question is easily answered. Let's move on to our final example. Question 4. What is the max amp quantity for the electrical panel board for Building C at Indigo Elementary School? We start again at the program index and map, looking for Indigo Elementary School, which is here. We select Indigo Elementary School. We know that we are looking for Building C, so we scroll into the site index map and select Building C. Once we are at Building C, we know we are looking for the electrical power floor plan, which is located over here. We select the power floor plan. We are taken to the electrical Building C floor plan. We look for the panel boards, which are up here in the northwest corner, highlighted in red. We select panel EA and are taken to the electrical panel board schedule. We can see that at the schedule it says that it is 400 amps. Let's double check by looking at the O&M manual by selecting here. Once we go to the O&M manual, we can see that the main amps description is 400. Let's check the other panel. Go back to the program index map, select Indigo Elementary School here or here as indicated by IN. Back to Building C and to the power floor plan. Let's select panel EB. EB indicates that it is 200 amp. Let's confirm by going to the O&M manual by selecting here. Once we select the O&M manual, we can see that it is actually at 225 amp, which is different than the plans originally shown. So we answer that question and even notice a change by confirming with the actual O&M manual. And that is it.